Hi everyone, I wanted to send out a reminder about the Castle Branch requirements, and Carol Fairley has already sent you an email, but I just want to recap the information. Throughout the program you will be doing some practicum hours, some experiential learning. In this course itself we will be doing some experiential learning where you will be doing an interview and you will also be doing an assessment. So typically with this course, you're not doing direct precepted hours in a particular organization. So what we are doing in this course, you need to move forward with completing your Castle Branch requirements, and I will be doing audits to make sure that you complete the requirements. It is important to have those requirements completed just as soon as you can because it will help you as you move forward. But the timing as far as like the interview and those types of things, what we're doing in this course doesn't require that contract and that preceptor that is really makes these requirements absolutely mandatory. But you will need to complete these requirements by the end of the course. So I just wanted to touch base with you. It does take time to complete some of the requirements if you don't have an existing tracker. So please keep that in mind and be very proactive. So this is how to place your order, and you will go to the portal and you will enter the appropriate package number, and I'll show you what those are, and they are included in Mrs. Farley's email that she sent earlier. So this is just a real quick overview of how to actually step-by-step go through and place your order. And this is an overview of the step-by-step process to complete. So we're looking at a two-step process. First you have to register and order your packages, and you will select the appropriate package for your program, and you will do the document tracker as well as the background check. And the background checks do vary from state to state. The laws are different. So you will actually focus on your state of residence where you will actually do or register for that background check. So it has to be based on your state of residence. So keep that in mind. And also if you have been in the program before, say if you were a BSN student and now you're an MSN student and you had a background check before, you may choose a recheck, which is a little less expensive. So just keep that in mind as well. We try to be very diligent in making sure that everything is very cost effective for you while still continuing to meet all the requirements of the crediting body. So if you have any questions whatsoever about your background check, just please get started. Register, start adding your documents because you'll need to put information about your immunizations and such. And again, if you were in our program before and you do have an archive tracker, Castle Branch can pull that information forward for you, which will make things much easier for you. So if you do have an existing Castle Branch account or a past account that you have your information archived in as far as your immunizations and different requirements, please reach out to the customer service number and they will be able to assist you in moving that archive tracker up to your existing tracker now. So I hope that helps, and if you have any questions about Castle Branch, please first off just reach out to the customer support service. They will help you and they will guide you through the process. And if you have any challenges that you experience after accessing the customer service representatives, please either let myself know or Mrs. Farley know. So if you need anything, please reach out. Take care now.